zoom in. Zoom in. 763. Oh my god.
Yellow, did you hear the sound on that punch? The G-forces generated with that of a car crash. Truly connecting on dome, it's no wonder everyone gets knocked out. Pair that with fight IQ for setup, timing, precision, the placement he has on his punch. Truly, this man is terrifying. Let's watch this a few more times and break down exactly what is happening.
Bomb. Bomb. This one.
Is that it?
I don't think so.
Hold on, where?
Now that would cause a concussion straight up. It's rotational force generated from his hips. He's winding up, but it isn't too much elasticity on this punch. It's more so just the force generated, the kinetic chain, the muscle recruitment exploding and then leaning over his hips. He did have a bit of load up there, but it wasn't as elastic as he normally is. I don't know why. Nonetheless, though, that follow through on the punch made him unpin his back leg, and he trailed through with the punch, which had him nearly break the record.
Is that it?
I don't think so.
Hold on, where? That's it. That's gotta be it.
He's literally whipping a softball as he loads into his connective tissue. He turns his hips, uses his glutes to rotational force generate, and with it he unpins the back leg, follows through, leans over his hips as he does, and he's throwing a haymaker. That is a definite haymaker. This will crush anyone's consciousness into slumber. I don't know what it is. Ilia Topuria does seem a little bit off, but nonetheless though, he is pitching bombs. This guy would crush consciousness with absolute certainty. He touches you on the chin, you're probably going out.